Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Scheels. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Google. And now in the Google search box, type in promo codes for Scheels. And now this will bring you to the Google search results. And right off the bat, we've got the top third-party retailers offering promo codes, discount codes. So we got couponfollow.com, Real Tell Me Not, Worth the Penny. These are all great sites to get promo coupon code deals. So the one I like to use for this site is called Coupon Follow, 50% off Scheels coupons. These codes do change daily, weekly, and monthly, so these might be different in the future. So we're over at Coupon Follow and on Scheels. So we've got free shipping for on orders of $75. We've got save up to $50 off sale. And we got more free shipping. So if you want to save 50% off sale, what you need to do is show coupon code. So go ahead and shop coupon code. And you can see sometimes these deals, you don't need any coupon codes as well. So we can just click on coupon, continue to this offer, and it's going to take you over to Scheels as well. And that's going to have that's going to take the 50% off for your sale. And if we keep scrolling down, we can see previous featured offers and deals as well. So we got 25% off your order, and we've got 20% off. So as you can see, these do change depending what month you're watching this video. So if we go check out another site, so if we go back here, go back to the Google search results, we've got Real Tell Me Not. So if we check out Real Tell Me Not, we've got 30% off coupons, up to 50% off again. And then we can see some stats here. So we got 47 uses for days, 76 uses today, and it even shows you when it expires as well, because these coupon codes do expire and it can be random when they expire as well. So always keep that in mind.